Hi. Welcome to the VidTechy YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add external links to your YouTube channel. First, go to youtube.com, then click on your profile icon and select View Your Channel. Once you click on your channel, this is your channel's main page. To modify your URL, you will notice that a few links are added by default. To add new links, click Customize Channel. Once you click Customize Channel under the Profile section, scroll down and find the Links option. Under the Links section, you can add links. Click Add Link, then choose any name for the link. And add your website URL. If you want to change the position of the link, you can drag it to reorder. I want it at the top. VidTechy is an all-in-one solution for YouTube marketing. Sign up for VidTechy for free and take your YouTube marketing to the next level. If you want to add more links, simply click Add Link again. If you want to delete any links, click Delete, and it will be removed from the link section. Once you've made the changes, click Publish. Now, when you go back to your channel, you'll see the newly added link. This is how you can add external links to your YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more amazing content.